our question is print hello world. So let's see how can we print hello world. You can print anything, your name or anything else. So let's see. For print hello world, we will use the function print, then use this first bracket, and inside you can write this hello world. So this now run this cell, so you can see that hello world is printed. Now what will happen if you do not use this quotation? So always remember that if you are printing some character, then you have to provide this quotation, otherwise it will give this error, that is this hello world is invalid syntax. So now we can but if you print some numbers, then you do not need to provide this quotation. Suppose we are printing 2, then see, we do not need to provide this quotation. So now see, print 2 plus 3, then what it will provide, then it will give us 5. But if you just write this 2 plus 3 inside a quotation, then you can see that it will print like 2 plus 3. So this is the basic difference while using this quotation marks. So you can easily see that